Hi all, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, let us see how to take an intraday trade in ICICIdirect.com. So let's get started. So I have already added few stocks in my watch list, and also you can see I've been watching the chart of PVR. The reason why I added PVR is that in some of the states the theaters has opened with 100% occupancy. So I'm just hoping if we can see some good movement in PVR. So that's why I added PVR in my list. And also I'm focusing on Bank Nifty. As you can see, there is a resistance level. It is trading somewhat near to that resistance level, and from the last few days it has been continuously just trading just around that particular resistance level. So I'm hoping today Bank Nifty will break that level. So let's just see how it goes. And also from the chart you can see Bank Nifty is looking very strong today. Okay, ICICI Bank, I think, yeah, it's about to the moment, like it's about to get some momentum. So let me take a trade in ICICI. Okay, click on margin plus. Let me put the stop code here, ICICI Bank. Let me click on buy and let me put the quantity as 400. And let me put the stop close price as 522. And after that, just click on submit and proceed. So your order has been placed. If you go to margin plus tab under open position, you should be able to see the order details here. And I may have to post the video in between, otherwise the video will become too much lengthy. So I'll be pausing the video in between. So now as you can see, ICICI is getting some momentum and we can see a good movement if it breaks the day high. So let's wait and see. So meantime, let us see how to set the target price for this particular order. So for that you need to click on place profit order. So once you click on place profit order, you need to enter the amount here. So let me put 535 and click on submit, then click on proceed. So now the target has been set for this particular order. So as you can see, 535 is the target. And also you can notice that the margin amount which was required to place this particular order, as you can see now, it is on a higher side after the new SEBI rules actually. And if you want to cancel this particular target price, you can just click on cancel. And if you want to modify the target price, you can always click on modify option and you can change the target price. Similarly, you can also trail your stop loss. As you can see, 522 is the stop loss set. So if you want to modify, you can click on modify and you can trail your stop loss. Let me just mark our target price also in the chart. So our target price was 535. So let me just mark it in the chart. Bank Nifty is looking very strong today, so I have updated my target price by 1 rupee and I have made it 536. So now the price is about to touch our target price. So let me just trail our stop loss. So let me click on modify and let me trail the stop loss price to 527 and click on submit. Then click on proceed. So we have updated our stop loss price. So I hope the video was helpful and thanks for watching.